Knife heads. How's it going? Well, I had to get me a new camera device. As you know, mine was all cloudy and stuff. Well, I dropped it about a month, 2 months ago, and I cracked it right on the camera. Well, yesterday I was working. When I got done working, it was no more. I had about that much of the screen was working, and the rest was pitch black. So, if this one ain't as high as quality, I apologize. I went to my wife's backup. Backup, I mean her old one, till I can afford to get a up to date one. And it's done spent 3 hours updating, so there's that. So let's get with it. This here is a cheetah corncob jig, burnt corncob jigged. Straight down the middle, right down Broadway. This knife has got a long pull, no swedging. Well, it's got just a touch of swedging. Just a touch up top. It goes about right there. So just a little bit of swedging. I don't know what the deal is. It says SC 6111 and a half SS. That ain't gonna focus, guys. This one's only got one camera up top. It might not work good. But anyways, it says Case XX Bradford, PA MCMXC111. Come on. I don't like it. Well, you guys get the picture. I wouldn't lie to you. I'm gonna have to get another one, but this has got to do for now. They call this the Case Cheetah without the swing guard. No swing guard. It's got brass pins, brass liners, no gaps. This is about a perfect knife right here. It does not have a dot system. It has the 1990 Tang stamp, but like I said, under it, it has the MCMXC. So it's a 1999 or a 2000. This is the millennial knife. And then I got, well, I'm carrying this one. Has anybody already had their shield to come out? Mine's done popped out in my pocket. Good thing I found it and I super glued it. So just put a little touch of Gorilla Glue back there. You should be alright. This is the 2024 copper lock with the stars and bars, with the long pull and the Wharncliffe. And I did a hard use video on this knife if you guys would like to see it. It's doing pretty good in the stand-ins right now. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to start doing more of them. Probably tomorrow I'll have another hard use out. I just got to pick which knife I want to do. It's going to be a newer knife. But it's going to be a newer knife, not no older knife. So I got to pick which newer one I want to do. It really don't matter because I use all the newer ones. But I think that's good. My dogs are under me shaking the fence. That's how I got the phone held up on the fence. So y'all, check the Stag out. Looking good, looking good. Nice and naughty. Spear point 62131. 1978 2-dot. Canoe. It's on a single back spring. Got the spear. This is like a mini spear. It's a pin blade, but it's like the spear blade, but just a tad smaller, that's all. Great pop. 1978 Stag Canoe. Yeah, that's all I got for today, guys. Y'all, stay classy. You hear?